If you have a 25 or newer RZR Pro, then your car is loud and fast. So should your speakers be, but the stock speakers you have in the dash are not because they're small. But you could put bigger speakers in, something as big as a horn-loaded speaker like this, or our brand of speakers, which are going to be lit up and sound loud, bright, and clear. And that's all done by getting rid of this stock little grill that you have in the front and putting in a proper speaker enclosure that lets you put any speaker in there that you want. Lifetime warranty and the easy plug-and-play installation, you get everything you need in this kit in order to make your speakers sound better. And remember, you could simply just upgrade the speakers in your car already and make it sound better, or do a full SSV Works kit and have the best possible sound you can get in your 25 and newer RZR. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Leave your comments and feedback. For more information on these guys and other parts for your car, go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor. This is SSV Works. We'll see you out there.